tutorial, and today's tutorial will be on detecting the file extension for any file. So click on New Project. I'll give you some examples. So say you select a .txt file. It will actually say text file. Now, there are some extensions that, you can enter some extensions that you can automatically change the text. So say it's a .txt. Well, it'll say, you can program it to say text file instead of .txt. But there will be some extensions that aren't as popular, and you might not even know they exist, and it will detect the extension anyway. So you don't have to use the word like if the file name contains .txt, then say it's a text file. No matter what the extension is, it always finds it. Now, let's name our project Extension Finder, or whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want, I don't care. Or you can add this to an existing project. It works either way. So let's wait for this to load. My computer sometimes fails at this point. Okay, so let's resize our form, and you can do whatever you want with the form. Change the style, change the text, change anything you want with the form. It all doesn't matter. But what does matter is what you add to the form. You have to add 2 labels, 1, 2, and a button. And that's as simple as it gets. So label 1 will be the name of the file. Label 2 will be the extension of the file, and button 1 will be browse for a file. So let's see, is there an auto size function for the form? Auto size, yeah, let's make that true. So anyway, I just like to change show icon false. Text, I'm just gonna change extension finder, and go up here, say fix 3D. This, and this. Let me change the font to this, and then let me change the size to that. Now this button 1, browse, and double click on it and say, we're not going to get advanced here, dim ofd as new OpenFileDialog, ofd.ShowDialog, and then label1.text equals label equals ofd.FileName. Now we are going to start finding the extension here. So first, what you want to do is you want to get a substring of the last 5 characters of the text. Now you guys are probably asking me right now, well, why actually no, 4. Yeah, I'm gonna make it 4. You guys are probably asking me, well, why 4? Well, it's because the longest extensions I've seen are 4 characters. PPTX, PowerPoint, DOCX, Word 2010 document. There are some, yeah, those are like the longest extension names. So I think there's one 5-letter one for, I don't know, but anyway. So you want to say dim extension as string equals substring, equals label1.text.substring, and you want to find the last 4 characters, so you want to start at label1.text.length minus 4, and then the length will be 4. Now you have the last 4 characters. Next, you want to add on, you want to make sure that this character is actually, say the extension is 2 characters, which I think might be impossible, but then it'll show the letter before that. Okay, so it'll show the letter before the extension actually starts, since there are 4 characters. So all you need to do is say do until extension.StartsWith. So starts with dot. So it's finding the last 4 characters, but it's, it's doing this until, doing the following until it starts with a dot. Okay. So, what you want to do is extension equals extension.Substring 1. What the hell? Oh my god. I don't want numlock 1, so you start at 1. And then the length of it will be the length minus 1. So extension.Length minus 1, I believe. Yeah. And then here, loop, you want to say Label2.Text equals UCase. So uppercase, you want to make extension uppercase. So if the extension of the file is .txt or txt, then you want to say then it makes it capitalize txt. Actually, add in one more thing, because if it is the way this does this thing, the way it does it is that it programs it to do everything and erase all the characters until it starts with a period. Now, if it starts with a period, you don't want to say .txt file, you want to say txt file. So, you want to say extension equals extension.Substring and 1 to extension.Length minus 1, and you're actually, I just realized you have to put that in if not extension.StartsWith. If it doesn't start with that, then do nothing else. If it does start with a period, I don't know why I did if not, maybe I just thought it was cool. If it starts with a period, take away the period using that, and then 2.text equals UCase extension, and then now we start doing optional. If label2.text equals txt, actually no, then put this here, UCase extension and file text, then label2.text equals text, just write in one string, text file, else if label2.text equals png, then label2.text equals painting, Microsoft Paint file. Okay, so now I'm going to debug it and hope it works. I didn't test this before, so pardon me if there's like an error or something. Now, of course, before it starts, it'll say one on label 2, but let's just find something. Some file, any file. This is a docx file, so there's an error. Let me find what it is. I bet you I can fix it. It's probably one of those. What the hell is that? Okay, there we go. Start index cannot be longer than the length of the string. Start index cannot. Oh gosh, how? It's not even one. What? That makes. Oh, whoops. Okay. I never, that was stupid. Extension. You want to paste that there, and you want to say extension equals ofd.ShowDalog.FileName. Now, you have to restart it, but that was stupid. I didn't even. Are you kidding me? This error again? Okay, I'm afraid we're having. Oh, you know what? I know what's wrong. Never mind. We're not having technical difficulties. Let's go to the form load event. And this is a problem I took about 10 days to fix the other time, and now this form load event isn't even loading. Hello? Okay. Oh, you know what? I'm so stupid. Okay, go there and then say extension equals that, and then it should be fixed. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And then hit browse, and then find any document. Don't use a folder. Okay, so see, it says RTF file, and RTF file. And I didn't program it here, you realize. So let's find a text file anyway and see how amazingly it works. See, this is a text file, and it says text. Oh, you know what? I didn't say it needs to say text file. Okay, but it's still either way. Now let's find something with a 4-character extension, like PowerPoint file. Let's see. HTML file. See, it still works. 4 characters, it still works. And there aren't any 2-character ones, but yeah. And there's an error if you like close it, you know. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Rate, comment, and subscribe, especially if you liked it. And I'll see ya next time. Bye.